Use the cleanout rate when you have an active infestation and the maintenance rate when you are preventing recurrence. Onslaught FastCap is a microencapsulated insecticide designed for both rapid knockdown and residual control, so choose your rate based on infestation severity and targeted pests. For active scorpion or spider incursions, use the cleanout rate to increase concentration and improve contact mortality, applying higher product per gallon while keeping label maximums in mind. For routine prevention, revert to the maintenance rate, which extends residual activity with lower chemical loading and reduces selection pressure on populations. Adjust gallonage by calculating square footage and treating structural junctions first, so you deliver product where pests travel most, like baseboards, crawl spaces, and entry points, while using lower broadcast volumes on open surfaces. Schedule a follow-up inspection within 7 to 14 days after a cleanout application to verify reduction and retreat localized hotspots if live activity persists. Always read and follow the product label for allowable rates, surface restrictions, and personal protective equipment, and avoid over-application by measuring both active ingredient per treated area and total solution mixed. The most common mistake is using the maintenance rate during an active infestation, which slows control and prolongs exposure. Switch to the cleanout rate and increase monitoring to correct this. Another frequent issue is incorrect gallonage, leading to underdosing in high-traffic voids or overdosing on sensitive surfaces. Calculate treatment area and apply targeted volumes, and rinse or avoid treated surfaces if the label requires. A third problem is assuming one treatment eliminates an infestation. Schedule follow-up visits and focus on entry points and harborage to catch survivors and remove conducive conditions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like pest control, treatment planning, and contractor selection, and we help homeowners find local professionals with relevant experience. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where we and users share practical tips, treatment experiences, and local product guidance.